Hey guys, as I told you the other day, I've had a very special thing coming in the mail. I've been really excited for this, and this is my Spider-Man Homecoming replica suit sent from Zentai Zone. Thank you so much to Zetai Zone for sponsoring this video, and yeah, I'm gonna open this and review it. I've been like ready for this all day. They certainly do well with their packaging. Oh, it comes in a little bag. That's nice. Oh. Oh. The details on the blue. Oh my gosh. I think that might actually be better than the RPG Studio blue. Like, I don't know if you can pick that up with the camera. See if you can get that. It's like, oh, that is awesome. Dear customer, how are you? It is my pleasure to make your suit. I said it carefully, earnestly, and responsibly. Oh, they gave me a little card. That is awesome. Oh, yo. Oh, it's got the leather detailing. Oh, and they gave me the raised insignias. Oh, that is awesome. That is awesome. I like those lenses. Lenses are nice. Oh, and they gave me a U-zipper. I'm so glad they did that because I actually forgot to ask them for that, but I'm glad they did that. Those are so cool. It's got the raised. I wonder if that's feels like polyurethane, maybe? Not sure. Alright, I'm gonna go put this on really quick. And yeah, just okay. Alright, here we are with the Zetai Zone suit on. This thing is awesome. Like, oh my gosh, the quality is crazy. It's crazy. Oh, my hair is like in my eyes under this. But, yeah. Oh, the leathery parts on the black just are such a great contrast to the red. And the red, it just really pops. I love it. The raised logo adds a whole nother effect to it. I love it. I really love that.
See your head.
Really love that.
See your head.
The mask, I'm a really big fan of. It's just, oh, it fits so well. I'm used to wearing my masks. The feet look amazing. Like, I was kind of worried about the feet because I have like abnormally sized feet, but they fit, and I'm very glad for that. It has a U-shaped zipper, which is what they actually use in the movies. It goes around here and comes down here in like a U shape rather than up and down the back. And that way it's like hidden. And I really love that. It just I like it a lot better than the one going down the middle. You guys should definitely get that if you get one of these costumes because it just looks amazing. It feels amazing. Like, it feels like, I feel like I could just like jump around. Oh, it's great. Anyways, yeah, I feel like I'm Spider-Man. If you want to order one of these, you definitely should. You got my vote on it. It's just amazing. You got my vote on it. It's just amazing. Look up Zetai Zone. The website's down here, zentaizone.com. It's amazing. Like, the quality of these suits. And they don't just have Spider-Man suits. They have all kinds of different versions of Spider-Man. They have the just full body one color suits. They have just all kinds of superheroes. It's amazing. So you guys should definitely, like, if you guys are thinking about buying one from these guys, it's amazing. It's like the quality is crazy. Like, I've never worn anything like this before. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much, Zetai Zone. The suit is amazing. Like, I love this. I want to live in this now. And yeah, Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and bye.